for example, I keep saying this, in Sweden, Lund is a name, Lund. Yeah, here it's not.
It's not Lund, it's Lund.
Hey, if you come from North Sweden, they say Lund only.
No.
It changes, yaar.
It's the U with the two dots on top.
Why do you know so much?
Two dots? But
Ali, how do you last in this marriage? This woman is ridiculous. Who knows this as a piece of information? That there's a Swedish name.
No,
it's pronounced Lund. It has two dots on top. Who
because
knows this?
I have been to Lund.
You're saying this aloud?
There's a big university in Lund.
Why would you go further? Just let it go. Let it
It's
go.
not the way you're
Yeah,
saying
I know
it.
it's not. You said big university. Okay. Okay. I need oxygen. Auntie ji, Uncle ji, thank you very much for joining us. We have two celebrated couple, very famous in India as well as actually all over the world now. This guy's huge.
This guy is huge, yeah.
Very big.
He's a
that's-
Hollywood person.
You to Hollywood to ban gaya abhi.
That's why we're these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You look like a 70s cricketer now with a younger like avatar. Because they had these kind of glasses. I feel that our fellows have those very colorful ones. If
Yeah.
you see.
Do you want to know? These glasses are mine. Just saying.
Yeah.
That shows that he's so comfortable in his masculinity.
He's metro sexy.
Exactly. I wear my mother's saris. Forget my, I mean, that's the real, and I'm not, like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Not yet. Who
You
knows
could
what
pull
the
off
future-
any blouse though.
I pull off my own blouse. Nobody else will. Richa, Ali, thank you for coming to the show. I want to ask you first and foremost, firstly, thank you for the plant.
Yes.
Uh,
It's a tree.
It's a tree, but
Yes.
it's a what's a sapling? What do you
Yeah,
call the baby?
sapling.
It's a baby tree, so two,
Yeah.
right? Become tree. So yeah, it came home, and my wife is very environmentally friendly and in that pseudo way that South Mumbaikars are, and so she was really happy. Because we get such rubbish gifts. No, I shouldn't say that. That's so ungracious.
No,
But
no.
people send gifts. I mean, you get them also, right?
Yeah,
What do
yeah.
you do with them sometimes?
Yeah.
I sometimes when they say we would like to send a hamper, I don't send my address.
Yeah. What are you going to do with this hamper?
Yeah,
Look,
what are you gonna do with
I've got
the?
plaques. What do you do with them? Those silver things they send and all. I don't want to do with
I
them.
have the worst are
Like
the
a bar
mugs with their own company branding
Yeah.
and cloth tote with their company
I think you
branding.
guys are going to have coffee with it every day.
yeah, and T-shirt with their company branding.
No, but I never say no to it. Yeah.
You never say no.
I love it. मैं बांटता हूँ.
Because
I get brownie points for it.
Doon school. Now, what is the school?
Yeah.
Ah, there you go.
Dosco.
They're very poor people come from
Yeah,
that
yeah.
school.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can understand the situation.
yeah.
Yeah, we
There's a
should.
whole
Charity
list of
with
people underachievers with no money in Doon school, I know one guy had only 5 drivers. He was embarrassed here.
No, nothing like that. But I take give to people and all.
Oh, you're like Robin Hood.
Yeah.
You take from the rich and give to the rich.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
In
open
India, there's no
items and
poor.
buy.
India-
I don't
India
take
गरीब नहीं है India
because
में.
हाँ क्योंकि
India नहीं है.
प्लास्टिक इतना वो पैकेजिंग में डालते हैं I don't take.
But thanks for the sapling.
Yes.
And one day it will become a tree or a 4 if it grows.
It will be called Cyrus the OG Brocha.
Oh,
Did you see?
sweet. OG. What a beautiful name.
तो
for a
उधर
tree.
कोई बकरी
with lots of
चरेगी तो
brochas.
बोलेंगे ये असली बकरा
हाँ.
हाँ,
मैं?
नहीं बनाया
हाँ, fair.
ऐसा है.
But let's point out that you built a nursery, right? What's it called exactly?
The
Where?
baby.
No, you all have done a lot of this tree planting, so
We did, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Instead of gifting like mithai, which we of course did to the press
Huh.
for the birth of our child.
yeah.
Instead of giving the hampers, we gave one
So
tree.
for the press, you want to do diabetes, and for the rest of the world, you want to save it.
No, press got mithai dabba and paid.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Why did I only get a sapling?
No, you got mithai dabba also.
I got mithai dabba also,
Who
but
ate
I am
it?
diabetic, so I couldn't have it.
No, but it was
Don't worry.
healthy, sweet.
It's a full family. Everything is consumed. The tree may have been eaten. This is that kind of family. Like, ये क्या है? Hey, namak lana. Hey, Shankar. One of those things might have happened in the middle. Yeah. But yeah, thank you so much. Very innovative idea. And of course, new parents. What a horrible phrase. But now, a few months have passed.
For 4
Horrible
months.
face.
4 months.
Yeah.
Horrible phrase, huh? New parents.
Love it.
I mean,
It's like you took
it-
tuitions or
it is.
something. अब मैं parent बन गया.
हाँ.
I wish there was a prepping school. There is in the
There
West,
is.
huh?
Richa, what are you saying?
What?
All those classes and all. I don't know. My wife. I can't remember anything.
In India, it's not
They
there.
do,
no?
they do.
It-
Of course they
they're
do.
They
cute.
do.
There's a
Guide to parenting and all that. Yeah,
There are
Bollywood
groups
itself
and all, yeah.
Bollywood itself, you mean
prepares you
WhatsApp
for
groups?
Yeah.
Can
for
I
all
make a
this.
confession though?
Please?
I was part of a group.
Oh, I thought you were going to say it's not yours. What the hell? Breaking news.
That
What a
can't
story.
be his confession. though. That should
yeah,
be mine.
mother we
Yeah.
always
that-
know.
yeah.
Mother we always know.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ali, you spend too much time abroad. Be careful.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh no, I तो joined the group. And
But
all. I was
thankfully,
there.
this one
Let's
looks
hear-
just like him.
क्या?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nothing.
The
But
baby.
that's like the ancient nature's way of saying, na, ki ye, the first few months the kids always look like.
And both the families always say, "Mummy gayi, daddy pe gaya." They always say this. I don't buy it.
But
No,
this
no.
one looks exactly
No,
like
no.
How do you
Ali did
know?
Ali's baby.
Babies look
photos.
like babies. They have round
Yeah.
faces.
They know. If you see Ali's baby's photos and you see this baby's photo.
Ali's baby as in the girl he dated before you, or Ali's baby as when he was a child?
Ali's baby is me.
Okay.
But when he was an infant, his photos as comparable to
Is it?
our current infant are exactly the same.
That's because of mom, I think. That's
No, but if she's saying that, then probably correct, right? Because she's saying it as a independent observer.
But मैं वही
Yes.
कह रहा हूँ ना, first few months that's nature's way of like saying daddy, and then the face expressions come.
No, I think you're right. They
Hai na?
do change a lot
They
also.
change.
There'll be certain features you
No,
will
now
stay.
the real features
You
will
have
begin after
one or
8,
two
9, 10
kids?
months.
I have
1 year.
2 kids and then the operation. And now I can't even look at girls without feeling pain.
Okay.
And I mean like any girls. Not even
Okay.
like, I mean like geriatric ward, Parsi general. Even there I can't go.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very painful.
That's
That's the future, huh? 'Cause now you're married, you have children. You mustn't have dirty thoughts and all. You must just be do what Dilip Vengsaka called batting in the corridor. Literally. Sorry. Listen, we have lots to talk about. I'll just keep talking rubbish and this will go on.
I love rubbish talking with
I
you.
know, we
though.
have so much
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah. Last time we didn't even take a break.
I don't think we did.
I think it's very decent and sedate this time when my husband is here.
Yeah, he spoils the market, you feel.
No, he's posh, no?
Yeah, he's posh. He's posh.
I'm
yeah.
not posh. I'm
Yeah.
just.
Dosco.
Oh
And then
my
they,
God.
then they spend their whole life pretending to be middle class.
Yeah.
That's what I hate.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
हाँ, अब तो मैं I am a normal guy यार हम Mercedes पीछे
हाँ, यार।
Mercedes को
मैं
I
तो
never
ज़मीन
had
पे
any
बैठ
of that.
जाता हूँ।
Hello.
yeah.
अपन working class hai.
That's true.
But
yeah.
that's
But
the image.
working class amongst rich people means you're upper middle class amongst normal people. So in any case, you're always going to urinate on us. This is a terrible feeling. Stop peeing
Is
on the
that
public.
One second, is that
I
the
think-
image for Doon School?
What do you think they? What do you think? No, it's a municipal
I'm
school.
sorry,
People
sir.
really struggle.
Listen,
There's
Woodstock and
Son of
Sherwood
the
and all
soil
happen.
comes out of fucking Doon School. You're right. You're right. This is the heartland of India.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ali's on his way to
Ali,
being
what are you
a
saying?
farmer.
You're the elite's elite.
No,
just,
it's
just
not the
own it,
elite's
man.
elite. It was
You
not.
are the elite's elite. Now there's new schools whose names we don't know, but you have to pay millions of dollars just to
Yeah.
come and meet them.
That's the real.
That's
Yeah.
another story because the world has changed. But up to my generation, Doon was like it.
No, of course
Yeah.
I felt very
Hey,
privileged.
what do you think about St. Stephen's College where I'm from?
Same. Come on. I mean, this is an arranged marriage.
This is
Stevens
IAS.
Stevens College arranged
One
marriage.
second,
man.
IAS वगैरह जाता है उधर
Doesn't
से.
matter. They're all high achievers and all. See, what are you all?
High achievers, yes.
So high achievers are also come in the same bracket. Come to a real municipal
हम
school.
लोग क्या थे? हम लोग भी आए मतलब medium.
अच्छा, now you're going to have a parent flexing fight, क्या?
No, not
What
at all.
fun. This whole show has changed complexion.
नहीं.
Who would have thought that this
Yeah.
is going to be... Let's talk about nursing.
Stephens, huh?
Wow.
Yeah, she throws that in.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Please.
I do not.
At one
You
point,
use big words in fights.
whole of NDTV
I
was
use
Stephens.
big words because I know them. That
Use
is
a
the
big word now,
difference.
right now.
Use it. No,
Any
what did
big
you
word.
use the other day?
Ali, the conversation with you is banal.
Banal.
Aye.
But that's now it's
It's not
in
even
fashion.
a big word. It
Don't
rhymes with
ask me to
canal.
spell it.
What is the meaning
So
of
now
it?
he'll pretend not to know it because he has to kill his Dosco
No, he doesn't
English
pre-
upbringing.
Doesn't
and
have
One
to
Western
second, that's
pretend
my
he-
thing. I don't know English that well.
Huh.
I don't think I have the most posh English.
Huh.
I mean, I know etiquette.
Didn't you act in all kinds of plays and all that in school?
अरे तो बट क्या शेक्सपियर पढ़ा है मैं शेक्सपियर ब्रेक
तेरे
कर
को शेक्सपियर आता है और बोलते इंग्लिश नहीं आती.
बट नहीं आती
नहीं,
मुझे
English आती है, but in
अरे
fights
मतलब
he
randomly
pauses
she
for
will in a
big-
fight your carnal है ना
Banal and Cardinal are
हाँ,
very close. Huh?
things come out right in that your brain is not thinking of कि मैं वहाँ से जाके ना I'll use a word like क्या use किया था तुमने उस दिन
तुझे आइची को.
something very in English है ना English
No, I
में.
just said,
Vernacular works
I
better.
said don't throw platitudes my way.
Platitudes.
हाँ correct
This is
correct.
Stephens, proper Stephens. This is not like
है ना?
Hindu and then Stephens.
Yeah.
just
This is
Stephens.
straight up
हाँ.
Stephens.
No,
right?
no
So I'm
Hindu
like, dude,
man.
1 second. And I did this whole thing like, get out of here, you know, whatever. And I opened my phone, I started searching. So I get some time, like give a loud shout so that there's a little shock. In that shock, I'm like going quickly checking the meanings. अब वो कुछ गलत meaning निकला. I don't know what it was.
What did you say? Platitudes is a tough one.
Yeah, I still don't remember. It
I
was-
don't know which language to fight with him in because I'm equally good at Hindi, but he doesn't.
But can you do highfalutin Hindi? Like
Yeah,
big
yeah.
words?
Yeah, yeah.
हिंदी क्या
But
मतलब
I'm
तुम-
North Indian,
That
Delhi
doesn't mean you
product.
can do great Hindi.
Yeah.
Most North Indians come here and lose their Hindi. We
They
teach
do
them
that.
Mumbai Hindi and they can't speak anymore.
Till date,
Yeah.
I get flack from my entire family because my Urdu's gone for a toss.
Of course.
Yeah.
So that day I'm telling her हाँ वो कबाब में खसखस डलता है नहीं खसखस होता है
No.
अब उस पे लड़ाई हो जाती है
And if he was in a Parsi colony, it would be khas khas.
हाँ
Completely
then I'm हाँ
destroy. Languages come to die in Mumbai. We kill them all. Yeah, I love it.
But Marathi, ये तो है तुम्हाला.
Maithi. I can speak it.
they think I can't understand Marathi
Huh?
she thinks but I understand
You're from
Marathi
New School, Baba.
I understand Marathi
You don't.
I do I just don't speak
So you can understand Marathi.
हाँ poquito
But what kind of this marital issue is really bothering me right now?
Yeah.
You all fight in 4 languages. A normal fight would take 2 minutes if you spoke one language. Now you want to fight to flex about who has more.
We speak in Hindi and English.
no but
both.
she's very good with
When you're
languages.
fighting, what do? This big words, platitude, and all, ये unnecessary.
I've started to use small words, but if I use a phrase also, then he has to take a pause.
But why do you-
Yesterday, I've told him, you won't live this down. He's like,
What
"Ek
does
bi-"
that mean?
हाँ, देख.
You have to keep your spot when the fight is going on. Jairam! Immediately he has
we
to
were
Google.
sitting with our director friend only I तो asked him I said भाई तू ही बता अब वो लंदन से है
हाँ.
तो he obviously knew so then it became like you know
This director is from London.
अरे
One friend of ours is a director who happens to live in London now.
Yeah.
Like half of Bollywood in the summer.
True.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ooh. Sorry.
भाई हम भी जाएंगे
But just to end this thing, but they're a very happy couple from the outside, just show the world. A very happy couple, all good, no real fights.
Yeah. No
Can I be
fights,
honest?
yeah.
I hate people on Insta who are always loving each other. I find that's very irritating.
But
मुझे
that's
थोड़ा
mostly
लगता है.
fake also.
Of course,
na?
it's fake.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm married 23 years. My wife and I can't stand each other, and that's normal.
Yeah. it's
We
normal.
we survive. We're just about. Yeah.
We
no I can live you down live
You always said early marriage,
you
yaar.
would live me down.
yeah can I
That's
use
not
Hey
that
boss,
in a
flirting mat
sentence?
kare.
Okay.
Don't school. Stop it here. This is
नहीं, I'm
Mumbai.
trying to use the newly learned
Okay.
phrase
Live
in
you
a
down sounds
sentence.
sexual.
You
What
can-
the hell are you trying to say?
oh fuck I mean shit
Huh.
sorry
No, we've got done worse on this show.
okay.
We
You've done worse,
chatted
you've done
about
Okay.
it.
And my wife and I fight. Our fights are nothing like Urdu and all. She calls me a chut just without fighting. It's like normal language. Like if I just leave the towel on the bed, she says, "Why are you behaving like a chut?" This is just normal. There's no fight yet. The fight starts after that.
But
And
why
you
did
put
you leave
platitude,
the
platitude.
towel on the bed?
Bro, I grew up. My sister left for America when I was 14 or something, so I had the house to myself. So I could just drop everything anywhere. My mother would pick it up.
Lovely. So
She doesn't want. It's a birthday
nice.
today.
It's
Happy
your
birthday,
mom's
mom.
birthday.
Pick it
oh
up.
happy birthday
Yeah. The great thing about moms, Richa, as you'll find out, is that the mom will do anything for the kid after some time, including abuse him for being a bad kid, but still pick up the towel.
I
And
don't
that kind
think
of
I'm
thing.
going to pick up the towel.
You'll pick up the towel.
No,
we
I won't.
all. My wife is a real khadus kind of woman and all that. In the end, she's very soft with the kids after some time.
But you
after
have
beating
to-
them, slapping them, she'll, it's the way it is.
I think times will change.
No times will change. So, you see, the male kid will harass you a lot. We are just spoiled.
We don't have a male kid.
You will have.
Oh.
Ali's working on it. He's got many platitudes to
अरे
perform.
यार
Platitudes. चलो ठीक है.
What the hell is this? You're wearing a glove
yeah
on your foot.
Yeah.
I'm trying to train my toes
He's like
to,
Spider-Man.
yeah I can
Yeah.
grab onto things
What is that?
He's
They just said to
devolving, so he's trying to.
no I'm
climb
trying to
branches
separate
and
the
all.
toes because all our lives we keep wearing shoes
There's enough separatist tendencies in this country. Why would you need to do this much?
nice one
Nice.
no but this is important this should
Is,
grab
is this for like training or something? Like when
just but it takes time I have to keep
you're
wearing
doing
it
some
for
martial arts.
a little bit
Basically,
know.
Ali is so clumsy that if you don't velcro his feet onto the earth, he tends to fall off. So now he's trying to develop a grip.
You need help, bro.
Fair
She's just going all over here.
She's
this is like
ruthless
Jake
anyway.
Paul, Mike Tyson. I don't like this fight, bro. I don't like. There's no fight here, bro.
Oh, no. But
yeah
Yeah.
isn't it cute that I think Mike Tyson has a lisp now?
He always had a lisp.
He had a lisp.
He used to
Always,
get in
always.
fights because on the phone people thought they can hammer him. When you hear him, Nithya, and all that. And then this guy is really tough.
hey but he's too he would kill that guy yaar. It's all
Oh,
scripted
of course.
all scripted
Really?
he'd
Yeah,
butcher him even at his age
No,
even
at
20
his-
years later
At
he'd be
his
able
age,
to.
it's a bit tough because the heart capacity now is not the same here.
You see him training
No, but that's just
It's
short
nuts.
vignettes, bro. You're an actor. You know how you can just put all that together.
no I mean actual training
I
not
just
the
feel
optics
like
wala
बेचारा
training
कान खा गया था ना किसी का.
वो तो
तो
that's
बहुत
old
बड़ा,
hack, yeah,
but,
to use an English phrase. Leave that. Now that's done. Just spoiling the legacy of one of the great fighters of all time.
yeah just for
Yes.
money
But why?
$20 million?
20
Why do you think I'm doing the podcast? Not out of choice. Pure money.
This is your Mike Tyson moment.
My Mike Tyson moment. Don't be my Jake Paul. So sad. Guys, we have to talk about Girls Will Be Girls.
Yes.
I saw the promo in the morning.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
What did you think?
I was a little worried because I don't want to say something wrong here.
You
but it's
please
about
say.
underage sexuality.
Not
maybe?
underage.
But she
Of
seemed,
age.
He seemed older.
He is older.
So that's what I was getting from it.
No, but they're
Yeah.
both
And
studying.
why are they all speaking in English? What happened to Stevens? Stevens and Don.
You're speaking in English to me right
I'm
now.
a South Bombay boy. This is my
but
first language.
this is about one of those schools where the kids are told to speak in English.
Literally that. 90s mein.
Okay.
90s
Late
की कहानी है.
90s.
Actually, a lot of schools are they sort of push their agenda.
No, but
Yeah.
back then it was like a thing. You know, if you don't, then you're seen as a lesser.
So what's the story?
What do you think the story is?
It's a love story about. I would think it's like coming of age or whatever. Or she's underage. I'm not sure. And she's exploiting her a little bit maybe. The male who's a little older and got a scooter, which in our country you can get without any problem.
Yeah.
And then, of course, her dealing with all that with her mom in the background, etc.
Yeah.
So it's a coming of age thing, but I don't know if it's legal or illegal. So I was a little worried about that.
It's very legal.
No.
Okay.
18 plus.
Of age.
She's 18.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
And so tell us why this story. Give us some background.
So it's a mother-daughter story, and it is actually coming of age, but it's kind of like a dual coming of age. It also explores a young mother's predicament about being
Dealing with-
treated as a like an auntie when she's just like 38 years old and her daughter 16, because that was what was people have kids early, or maybe even a generation before us. You're looking at me.
No,
why?
it still happens. I'm just trying to think of my friends. It still happens. There are
Yeah,
enough
it's
people who are
happening.
married early 20s,
Yeah.
have kids. By under 40, they'll have a teenager,
Yeah.
proper teen.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
So
Then, of course, there's us.
there's us who have 4-month-old daughters now.
Yeah.
So cute.
But in a way, not to point fingers, but maybe you need to age a little bit sometimes. I mean,
Yeah.
if you have kids too young, you're a kid
Yeah.
yourself.
I know. I don't think I could have handled it if I was
Yeah.
like a decade ago. No way.
I don't think I wasn't ready to be a father up till my 45th birthday. After that, I felt more comfortable, slightly.
But
before,
when did you had your kids before that?
she wouldn't tell me, so no. I think our first child, I was 29. First child means they're not 20,
Whoa.
they're 2 kids. But 29 is like in my area, whatever, about this age, most people were having kids, late 20s, early 30s.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then you got to be careful because you don't want to be one of those older fathers in the father-son race. Because you're running with your kid and there's a guy next to you and you're thinking, Dadaji kyun aaya? Because, and they say, no, I married at 40 and, it's my son. There are.
There are.
I mean, it's okay, whatever. But
Yeah.
you just think all the other fathers are in their 30s and there's one father in his 50s. Just odd picture. How old will you be, Ali, when
Oh man, don't go
the
there.
daughter is...
I don't know.
Daughter, father
Ali
is...
stopped celebrating birthdays.
Yeah, I'm
But
stopping.
he looks so young.
He is.
It's
He's
just
young.
I
trapped
think
him.
this whole birthday thing should just go.
Oh, now you're
Like
against...
imagine this is a social experiment.
You the birthday or the birthday age thing?
Birthday thing कि
हाँ.
birthday
No,
celebrate
but
कर रहे
he
हैं.
Birthday
Just-
celebrate करना एक चीज है, but birthday date like 17, 18, 19.
Yeah, I mean I have a solution for that also.
What?
But I don't think people are ready for
What
it.
is it? Give it
Tell
like
us.
Remove the
us.
calendar. Remove the whole calendar system. Just put numbers,
This
right?
is what the Doon school taught you?
No.
4 lakhs a
Listen,
term.
nah, yeah,
I
listen.
paid through my nose. And
Listen.
he comes back saying, remove the calendar.
Remove the calendar. Just have numbers, and everybody's born. Let's say 333 is your date.
Huh.
You were born on 333rd
Of the calendar.
of that calendar.
But there's
and-
no calendar.
No, as in the counting. So it's like a one
So
single
365
count.
days stays.
There's no loop.
Huh.
There's no loop. There's no 365.
Yeah, so we're
days.
all 333 who are born on 333.
Yeah, and then
Whichever year.
334 next day, then 335,
Yeah.
and it goes on 1,000, 2,000, million,
You know,
whatever.
human beings
So
will-
there's no looking back, going, that was the day. Let's celebrate that day again because that's not coming. That number's not coming again, buddy.
Oh, wow.
There's no loop, right?
You're a
What's
person
wrong with that? No. Come up with a big word.
Can I
that
ask you
just
one thing?
Throws me.
What are your
crashes me
views on
down.
narcotics?
He's strictly against them.
Oh, okay.
Strictly.
Maybe then we should try something because I mean, what the hell is he talking?
He
Risha, how
has
can you stay
green
with this
tea.
guy?
I don't know.
What?
It's
Come on.
hard.
He wants to remove the calendar and put a set of numbers which don't repeat.
Yeah.
I mean, the only good thing in your life growing up is your bloody birthday when you're a young
No,
child.
but
You
I-
take that away. We're like in.
Listen, there are enough things to celebrate. पूरे साल कुछ ना कुछ बचता रहता है.
ये तो Lenin Russia की जैसा है. I think he's just changing everything while we are
No, there are
alive.
enough festivals
He
in the
won't know
country,
what
especially
Lenin
our
is.
country.
Yeah.
He
We have
probably
not.
thinks
Our
so.
coun-
It's what his pants are made of.
What are your pants made of?
Lenin.
Actually, the day I'm wearing denim, you've come up with that joke. So this
Did
is
you
really
get
bad.
the
Arey
joke?
Baba,
Yes.
we'll cut to linen, yaar. It'll look good later.
Oh,
Don't worry.
God.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
We cheat.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Whatever.
So what a great concept this is. Now see, girls versus girls. Girls will be girls.
Yeah.
That's gone out of the window, and we are stuck with this story about the calendar. How do we progress?
I think
from
it's a
there?
cool idea.
I think it's.
I
Great.
think it'll kill ageism. I
Are
think
you-
it'll suddenly let everybody breathe what's that? Take a
Have
gasp
you
of
done that
fresh air. Just not-
23andMe test?
What?
That DNA test to test your ancestry.
Really?
Yeah, in case there's
You
a
can
link
do it
with,
in India.
Of course. In
Does
case
it-
no, I
what's
do in
the
England.
joke?
Maybe you can't do it in India. I'm not sure. But Singapore, England, those kind of places. But to check if he's Muhammad bin Tughlaq's direct descendant, the guy who went from Delhi to Dolatabad, he woke up one day and said, "Chalo, sab log, capital change." And everybody went to Dolatabad. He didn't like the weather. Let's go back.
Yeah, and half of them died on
Half
the
of
way.
them died. Now that's the good part.
इसमें कोई नहीं किसी को
So
कुछ
what
नहीं
is this anti-calendar thing? You didn't enjoy your childhood, or you just were very far,
होगा. Trauma है.
far-thinking guy? Oh, what?
No, he thinks.
But सबका है.
मतलब?
हम अपन लोग सोचते हैं ना अपना अलग एक अकेला है. सबका ट्रॉमा चल रहा है.
मतलब?
है बचपन के. आपका कोई स्टोरी होगा बचपन का.
What bachpan is 200 years old?
So बचपन ना when you were 1.
You can't remember now.
100. है ना?
Richa, what do you feel about this anti-birthday movement?
I'm.
अरे
like
मतलब there's
a-
already enough to celebrate यार.
That's a different story.
give you a
Yeah.
reason.
We have too many festivals.
Ah.
That's
I
right.
think I agree with this idea that if you like this commemorative thing, then people put pressure on themselves that, oh, I haven't achieved so much by this
Yeah.
age.
Oh,
I think
that.
this is primarily, this is why people write down actors' ages next to their faces, I feel.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like I asked one member of the press, like when I was turning 30, she was like, so is age just a number? So I was like, why do you have the urge to say this to me? I mean, you're clearly in your 40s.
Yeah.
I can hear two kids crying in the background.
Right.
What's going on here? She says, no, people like to compare themselves and see where they've gone in their lives and they read about. I was like, but why? It's so unhealthy it's
a
like
thing,
an
yeah.
actor waking up and saying, I have warm water with lemon and honey. And, somebody else will try it and get acidity and puke their guts
But
out.
this is a stupid argument.
Yeah.
By 32, Alexander conquered the world. 33, Jesus started religion. 34, Mozart wrote the best music the world has ever seen. At 35,
Yeah.
I should have killed myself.
Yeah.
What's the point? I mean, you can't compete with people.
Yeah.
There's no
At
end.
the most famous suicide club is at 27.
Is it? Is that
I
a
mean
fact?
the rock star age. The
That most
age
people
of
have died at 26, 27.
all the
Yeah,
biggies,
yeah.
right? Like your
What
Morrisons
conversation
and
we
all.
had. It was so funny in the beginning. Now it's really morbid.
It's called the curse of the 27, but that's not a.
Look,
It's
Amy
not a
Winehouse,
secret.
CJ Morrison
Kurt
and
Cobain.
the
Yeah,
three
yeah.
J's and all that. Kurt
Yeah,
Cobain
a
also.
couple of them.
What about Indians? Not to be insensitive.
Sorry. What are you saying?
27 बच गया
ये-
साला बच गया एक बार और बच गया
हद है
अभी
यार।
29 में आ गया 30 complete oh damn
I think the Indian poet,
हमारी तो
Punjabi
average
poet
age ही
Shiv Kumar Batalvi died at 38.
but there was a lot of western names there at 27
Yeah.
wow
But this one said na yesterday during Gandhiji's time
they're having a personal conversation
before
He does that
independence.
to me, yeah.
No, there was a time when our average age was what?
26, yeah. In
No,
the
no,
1930s,
30s.
the average
That- really? There was
mortality
some-
in India was 26 years.
that's the water
It's not very long
Not
ago.
what?
What?
so it can't be
Water's
26
worse
it can't be
now.
26
26.
but we had great grandparents and all they all survived beyond
But they were probably great grandparents at 32 because everyone was having babies at like.
Yeah, yeah.
See, I wasn't
12.
there I can't vouch for what happened but I'm just saying 26 sounds like a fake
You
number
go
yeah.
back to. No, it was. 26
there's
was
something in
average,
it.
but maybe they lived up to 30, 32. Genuinely. No medicine, no advancements.
so no
that
science to
kind.
help you when you get a disease
Yes.
and
But no, basically
So
no
people
calendar.
are dying of cholera, malaria,
Yeah,
all
yeah.
those things. Yeah.
a common cold also
Huh.
Yes.
I see a couple of people. I love to see people getting beaten by a cold. I mean, it's just a cold, but the guy's dying all over. I mean, just get on with your life. It's a bit too much. I feel. I mean, someone's got AIDS, in the background. The body's getting destroyed. The organs are going, and you just got a little running nose, and you go.
He's one of those. So that's why he's laughing.
Bro, we can't put you.
If
But
I
I've
don't
had an
have a
allergy
weapon,
thing.
if I
Okay,
just
and it's
go
been-
Do you
take,
see allergy?
all I have to take is do a jhadu, dust it in front of him, and Ali is finished.
It's
He's
okay.
finished
tell you
for
what.
So
like
it's Ali G.
No, because it's irritating, right? It's like a little bug. You give me a tiger or a lion in front of me. I know it's a big threat. It's right there. Everybody can
What
see
arrogance.
it. I can see it. Now,
Tiger से सामने कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा.
अरे नहीं होगा, फटेगा.
But
लेकिन
सर्दी.
बट सर्दी इज लाइक भाई तू ना यहाँ का है ना वहाँ का है. तू आ रहा है बिन बिना रहा है. Because you're
wow.
allowing me to move around. I'm fine. I'm
Bro,
breathing.
you're funnier
I'm
than me. I'm telling you right
I'm
now.
not.
Build
I'm
a
just
calendar in this. You're another level, bro.
हाँ गलत है.
he's unintentionally funny, but yeah.
अरे
I love doing this.
But I like the justification for the animals and all, which are not a problem.
अरे मतलब
Yeah.
analogy ना लोग कम दिमाग वो हैं
हाँ.
तो समझ जाएंगे.
And for our show, all come dimag. We don't allow people.
No, no.
Tell them.
you have
Make sure
high
that you're
demand.
struggling with studies before you watch our show. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. To be on a comfortable level. No? Everyone should feel low self-esteem. Then you enjoy the show.
Start from lowest. That was my point to the calendar.
Correct.
कि कैलेंडर में आप कोई जज नहीं हो रहे हैं ना.
हाँ.
आप ग्रो नहीं कर रहे हैं. आप suddenly you are not in that zone of I have something
Your
you don't.
Leftist philosophy, ठीक है, but when you take it to an extreme, it becomes the right version of left philosophy. That you've taken off
ये
the calendar.
philosophy नहीं है.
But there's cancelled. Imagine if he's our
Oh,
leader.
no. Okay.
My God,
Keep
I'm
the
getting
seasons.
stressed.
You
I
keep
mean,
the seasons.
scarier
Keep your
than
autumn
now.
and all that revolving.
Huh.
You need
He's
seasons.
giving us
right?
seasons.
Seasons.
Yeah, thanks
you keep
so
a
much.
calendar
Tigers-
for
tigers
I
and
really
lions we are
think we
getting.
can move on from the calendar.
Yeah.
Okay. Chalo.
That's the whole point, right?
So let's
on
move
from
to
the
There
the,
would be-
the release of the film.
There would be a Sardi minister who's just in charge of colds.
By the way, there is a climate action and air quality minister in
Yeah.
Delhi. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
But that's a little ironic. Yeah.
He was looking rather pale.
I can imagine. I'll
But,
talk
I mean,
to
he
you
must be in
later.
quite the shambles right now.
Is it really bad, Delhi?
Yeah,
You're a Delhi
really
boy?
bad.
No, I'm not a Delhi boy.
I'm
You're
a Delhi girl, yeah.
So what's the family saying back home?
I mean,
Or is the
half of
press
it I
overdoing it?
moved. No. It's
no.
really bad.
All
It is
Bombay
really
moved.
bad.
Hmm.
The thing is that I think that, I mean, anyway, we'll go into climate.
We'll take a break.
Yes.
We'll take a break. You can check your
Oh,
phone
let's
also.
take a break.
Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On Cyrus Says, actor and RJ Vrajesh Shirji shares his hilarious journey from ad copywriting to iconic films, Big Boss and Pro Kabaddi. On A Century of Stories India, Kunal unravels the remarkable journey of Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams, two astronauts who made history in space exploration. Folks, if you like our show, spread the word. Tell your friends and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on YouTube by their show names, so do look out for them and have fun watching. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week: IDFC First Bank, Axis Mutual Fund, SBI Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund.
We're back on the show, yeah?
Oh.
You were saying?
No, till date she tries to pull off an April Fool's.
But in May. But there's no calendar. That's why you hate the calendar. Because of you and your April Fool jokes.
Yeah.
What? My God.
Because 1st April suddenly like I'm like, dude, who would do that, right?
एक बार तो हुआ ना?
एक नहीं, every time.
एक बार
He
fool हो
falls
गया.
for it every time.
Oh, every time?
अरे because she'll do and see that जो cheap horror नहीं होता है जो बूहू करके डराता है
हाँ.
कि धप्पा दर से एकदम से
हाँ.
it's that.
But that's
No,
a very
it's
good
not.
gag.
No, it's-
People say this is not good humor, but ultimately, if it makes you laugh, it's good humor.
And she
no?
put theatre blood and all once, yeah, and
The
randomly
production-
like
No, I did a whole thing. Like I'm having a manic
That was before.
episode. I wore
Wow.
white clothes. And I was like,
In the night?
what is the point of life? Yeah.
And you
At
got
the-
scared?
No, and then I dropped some utensils, steel utensils, like in the dead
Hey,
of the
but
night
last
at
year was
midnight.
unreal. I'll never forgive you for last year. What you pulled off, what you tried to pull
tell
off.
us.
Let's not even go there.
Please?
We
can,
should
you
go
can
there.
share.
No, you can share.
No, nothing. Just she's enacted an entire.
Say now.
April 1st, yeah. So I was
you were pregnant. What?
Yeah.
हाँ.
I was pregnant and I
She's
have
saying
come
जा रहा
home.
हूँ hospital जा रहे हैं गाड़ी
I've
में
come
नहीं।
Oh, what a
home and I-
beautiful gag.
Like
Yeah.
You
that's
can't
beautiful.
call the bluff.
No,
That's a
and
great
the-
thinking,
And
great
the thing
thinking.
is,
I ran out.
he has somebody is at home, so he's telling that person, "You lock up the house, I'm leaving," and he's run out, baby, and his driver is like, "Ma'am, मैं नहीं करूँगा prank ये वाला." I'm like, ठीक है, आप बस उनको
Why-
फोन करो
हाँ.
और मैं पीछे से आवाज निकालूंगी. So he's saying, "Hello, sir," and I'm going in the car. So Ali is running. I'm coming. 1 second, and then Come
How
on,
many
it was
months were to? There were still 2-3 months to go, no?
Yeah.
So very unlikely that's so early the pregnancy.
No, quite
Then
likely.
there was likely. Oh,
two
fabulous.
two
That's
months.
why.
I give
2
you 10 on
months
10.
maybe.
Great research. So there's no way out.
There was no way
Well,
out.
unless he's a truth. How
That
can
was
he
a-
call? He has to go.
I have to go.
You,
It's a
you
short,
have to be a
short
real
yeah.
prick to say,
Yeah.
I don't think so. You check yourself. And if it's really happening, send me video. I'll come. I mean, come on, bro. Yeah, that.
Yeah. It's
that
a
was
short, like.
Yeah.
superb.
Yeah.
As Bakras
but
go, that's
it's,
great.
It's
Great
like
planning.
every year though. I find
Your-
something every
your
year.
child every year.
Not child every year, but I have
But
yeah.
how can you fall? You know the date, no? So around that March end, April beginning, you should be like, you know.
No, he forgets dates.
Now,
Oh, your calendar problem. Bro, this calendar is haunting you, yaar.
yeah, it is.
Badi galti hai, bhai. This is wrong thinking. Look, we need the calendar for this.
No, we don't. I don't. Just get it out of the system only, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, Google
Do you
calendar
have happy,
लेके रखे हैं
do you have
मैं
happy birthdays?
I to skip, but we try. We,
No,
yeah.
when you were young, I'm saying.
Oh,
I doubt it.
बचपन की बात हुई तो एक गरीब बोला.
नहीं अच्छे थे. Yeah. Some cute
So
ones.
then it's not a personal story. Something else. Why the anti-birthday thing? Again, it doesn't have to be from personal
I
experience.
think
Now we
he's-
again come back to that conversation.
I think Cyrus, he's secretly a Jehovah's Witness. And they don't celebrate
They
birthdays.
don't.
Oh
yeah.
God.
They don't even take medicine, no? Like you can't give them medicine and stuff.
I don't know so
Was
much.
that
Do you
Christian
guys
Scientists?
take medicine?
Like modern medicine, like if you have a cold, I can't give you like
Oh yeah, I don't do modern medicines anyway.
whatever you take for colds.
Yeah.
Yeah. One
I'll
Baba-
make something. I'll have desi nuskhas to fix.
No,
Yeah, when he
there
has a
were-
cold, he goes on the terrace and opens his mouth to eat some sunlight.
Bro, you went to Doon school. What happened? What the hell?
Oh, God, okay, this is fun.
What Pathshala was it in actuality? Was it spelled D-U-N? Dun? It's school? Oh my God.
Doscos are thanked in the credits of our film. You know, they.
Which one now? Girls will be
Girls.
girls.
Girls will be girls.
It's a Williams thing.
No,
No,
they
but
were-
we shot
Dasco-
it in Dehradun and Mussoorie.
We shot in Dehradun, Mussoorie.
Okay.
That is Doon
But
territory.
what is the location? It's a big school-like thing.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
two schools we shot in.
It must have been in the holidays, obviously. Huh.
No, not holidays.
actually,
Just
during-
before the autumn break. We shot for 40 days.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was really peaceful.
So whose idea was this?
The director, she wrote a fabulous script.
yeah.
It won a few grants.
Sundance
then-
Festival, you know, right?
Yeah, we won
Yeah.
at Sundance.
It was fantastic.
Preeti won Best
Yeah.
Actor there as well. And she's her first film. So yeah,
The
that
lead.
was really amazing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let's list the name of Bollywood stars who haven't won Sundance Festival Best Actor. And the name start now.
Hey, this could be the first one, right?
She's the first, yeah.
no,
What
no,
do you say?
technically in Indian history.
Yeah,
There's no
Indian.
Indian cinema movie
No, I
where the
don't
girl
think
has won
I-
the Best Actress.
No, but I don't know this. Like I can't vet this.
No. At Sundance, no, I can tell you confirm it.
So then I think Preeti Panigrihi is probably the first one to win.
India world number one.
Yeah. I'm
bad.
really
Yeah,
like
not
proud
bad.
to say that.
Well,
Wow.
how come it should get more press?
She will.
She will. We are starting.
That's
now.
what you were. We interrupted their call. They were talking to all the
Yeah.
PR houses and all, and we messed it up for you
Yeah.
to discuss calendars.
No, all of them. I think they deserve great press. Yeah, like even Keshav.
But
and
you,
Kani, of course, is-
you would love watching the film with your girl.
Girl,
Girls, how many?
daughter, you mean, no?
One
When
daughter.
you say girl, I think of some girl who escaped, and I'm stuck with this
baby
wife.
girl,
and
sweet.
You're making me feel depressed about my own
No,
film.
no. How many daughters do you have?
2.
Well, my son is identifying as a
One.
man, as far as I know.
So you have one
I sent
daughter.
creatine and all to him, and all. He's training hard, but you know. how it goes.
So you must watch it with your.
With the daughter,
Yes.
my daughter now treats me with only sounds. Like, so Maya, can you just order this on Amazon? It's like that. The relationship is a little odd now.
Yeah.
Like,
Minimalism.
unless she wants to be fetched or something where I have to, give money and things like that. So the relationship is a bit funny right now. But about 2 years back, she was like following me like a Labrador.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I would say the best years, since you don't have a calendar, you'll just not know. But between about say 6, 7, or maybe a little less, 4, 5, and about 13, 14,
Yeah.
is when they'll idolize the dad. Then they realize what a chut you are. Because by then 14, all women become smart.
Yeah. Yeah, 14 to 18 is 14 to
Yeah.
21. I would
So
say is a
basically,
bad
we
time.
I have to get my shit in order from 14 to 18. As in,
No,
And you have to
see
get
through
your
everything.
shit
through
They'll see through
before.
it, yeah.
huh? Before.
Before.
Okay.
But
Between
before he
14
seems
to
like a fun
20.
guy. He's a fun guy. He's got crazy ideas and all. Kids will enjoy that. You
Yeah.
want this normal father
I
who's
think
like,
he
hey
just-
beta, watch the traffic.
That's the.
Who says watch the traffic? You know, I mean,
Watch the
you get hit, you get hit.
Oh, like left, right.
I always cross the road and I know where my kids are. And you know, somebody.
Shut up. Just shut up. Obviously.
It's a lottery. Life is the lottery. I'm like, okay, guys, here we go. And then, you know, you have the Sharma family on my right, and he's saying, come on, Pradeep, hold me hand. Radhika, hold me hand. अबे एक साथ जाएंगे हम लोग हैं रुको all this shit. Have you seen how ugly the kids are? I mean, what's the point? Okay, why are we going there?
Why are we going there? Oh God.
So you're a fun father. Girls are great, bro. Girls are great. You
Girls
learn
are
a lot of
great.
things. You learn the lesson I learned is that how we pretend to be liberals, people like us,
Yeah.
and then you realize how sexist you were all your life without knowing it, because it's not you didn't
Yeah.
become sexist by choice, but you are.
That's
Like,
my constant comeback to him.
You have no idea.
No, I'm like, feminism has been a problem for you. Now you have a daughter.
Daughter will change everything because
God has slapped you in the face with a daughter.
Richa, my daughter asked me
I've
one
never had a
question.
problem with feminism. Why would I have a
No,
problem?
you don't know anything about feminism till they sit in the car and tell you one
yeah.
thing. Dad, name your favorite female artist.
Are
I couldn't think of anything. I said Madonna. I can't name a song. I hate Madonna. Except to look at.
I love Madonna.
Not to
I
listen to,
just-
yaar. Come on.
I was listening to like
Papa,
a prayer
don't
just
preach.
yesterday.
Like
What?
a prayer. Don't ban the calendar, ban Madonna. Do the right thing.
No, Madonna is the
No.
queen.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
I
Freaking
thought Boy
queen,
George
man.
was the queen. Boy George wasn't the. Sorry, I'm out of touch with woke culture.
Ray of light.
You used to say he was.
No, woke feminism I had a problem. Whatever. Okay, let's not
Woke
go there.
feminism?
Bro, you don't get in an argument with your family females.
Sorry.
That's why you don't. It's the
Woke
worst story
feminism,
ever.
did you say?
Now see what you've done.
Oh, don't sound like Jordan.
Yeah.
Peterson.
And in
No,
Bengali,
not that extreme. That guy's like a little too much extreme. And I heard that also, but that was a bit.
I like some of what he has to say.
No, that's what I'm saying. I heard him out.
Huh.
But he can be extreme.
Okay, let's not go there, guys. Girls will be
bit
girls.
crazy.
Masculine toxicity and all starts getting out of control.
Yeah,
वो ज़्यादा हो
after a
जाता
while.
है.
Yeah, after some time.
Even if you're crying through it.
Although if you've been in the gym, with,
I'm so sexist. I'm
he cries all
crying.
the time, huh?
Yeah, he
But that's okay. You're alpha male for doing that, and then it's a bit of a yeah.
I mean-
sorry, we're having our own conversation. You won't even understand what we're talking about. But it's all to do with medication. You take less. Huh. But it's true.
It is true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you were saying about feminism, or as we say in Bengal, feminism.
Come, he's laid out a trap for you. Step in it.
No, you said that
I-
he doesn't know anything about feminism until.
No, I didn't. I said, ke now
बचा ले.
God has slapped you in the face.
Yeah, not slapped you. It's like,
With
it's
the
like a
daughter.
cave opens like Ali Baba in the Charlie store. Because now the girl
Oh, God.
will dictate your
Yeah.
life, your daughter will
That I
dictate
do
your
understand
life,
now.
and your perspectives will open and change, and all kinds of things will happen.
Yeah.
And I feel the female Shakti is really more powerful than the male, so they will destroy your soul and
But
spirit.
it's supposed to be like
It
that.
is.
Yeah.
The male can only hurt you in the flesh thing, slap you, push you, whatever. It doesn't do much harm. But
No,
then they
males
wrench
can-
your
That's why we
soul.
are also
No,
physically
males
like...
can break spirit also. If you have a toxic male boss,
Yeah.
it's the worst.
Who's your toxic male boss?
I've had a few.
What in cinema?
Yeah, of course.
Like a director who's horrible.
Director, producer,
I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm sure every actor has that.
every actor.
Yeah. But yeah.
Narcissist, crazy.
Narcissist to theek hai. How is it coming your way really?
Really?
He looks in the mirror. My friend Kunal is a narcissist, horrible looking man, but he looks in the mirror all the time. I keep saying, why are you looking in the mirror?
Vijay Kar-
Yeah.
He's so not a narcissist.
No, he's a narcissist. Because every time we were walking at Willingdon the other day and he looks at all the glass to check himself out. I'm like, every glass you look exactly the same. I mean, and you don't even look like, Brad Pitt or Hrithik Roshan or whatever, or Ali Fazal. You look like Kunal. That was the answer. My family, everybody just grunts now. Nobody talks.
But I think everybody's talking to you in grunts.
Yeah. You think it's me?
It's you.
What if we came here to do a podcast and we had only
go-
sounds?
Yeah,
like,
wow. The next time you come, it'll be grunts. Because now,
Just remove the consonants, and then it'll just sound like
Yeah.
lots of syllables going like.
FKY for
Yeah.
FU.
I, O, O, Au.
Okay.
Au.
Imagine primitive man abusing each other. Yeah.
you guys
like our
sound
daughter.
like Tushar Kapoor from the Golmaal movies.
This is the most mature conversation I've had in a long time. Yeah. But that was an act.
That's an excerpt from my latest screenplay, my daughter's dialogues.
Well, the good thing is they'll pronounce things wrong. That you should enjoy.
Yeah.
Don't try and correct it because once they start saying it right, what's the fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. My daughter used to call Dobermans Dobermint. Small things like that.
But I'm finding cool hacks now. I'm doing I'm trying to teach her view. How to say view.
Like with a V.
V.
See, the Dune School in
So
you
if
is
she
coming
does
out.
a view,
Huh.
then because she's normally doing and now if she joins it,
Richard, this
it
is a
sounds
sign-
like I love you.
Aw.
But this is a sign of the rich Indian who says V instead of W at the right time. You know, these little
Yeah.
things. Develop instead of develop. You can see the difference.
Huh.
Now he's pretending not to be, but it comes out when he says, I'm going to teach my daughter view. Which father has ever said this? Which middle class father is struggling on a bicycle to reach the train?
Which
in the
father
hot-
is sitting in your show and talking about this? No, I'm probably the first.
No, I've had
No,
lots of fathers.
what is this? You're underestimating his show now.
Man.
No. He's right to do that. That part is not the wrong part. For God's sake, Richard, be honest. Yeah. Can we get back to what?
Yeah.
Also, there's some projects that you guys are on, both of you all.
Yes.
No,
you've
no,
got-
I'm currently unemployed.
No, you're not. There's something in the works. They've told me about it.
Yes,
If
there's
you don't
a
want to
film
talk,
already
that's
in the
fine.
hands.
But let's finish with. So you're doing a foreign film now.
Yeah.
So-
I know.
sorry,
I
a
did it already.
Hollywood film.
I did it all. Fuck, it's bright.
Huh.
I did it already. It was a film called. Now it's called Rule Breakers. It was called Afghan Dreamers at the time. It's a true story about Roya Mehboob, who basically began the first, one of the first women's robotics team.
In Afghanistan?
In Afghanistan. It was a way to get these
Is that
girls.
why you grow your hair? Sorry.
Oh my god. No.
Sorry, go
I
ahead.
shot it a year ago.
Yeah.
Long time back. Actually 2 years ago.
Oh.
Finally it's coming out. Angel Studios took on. They did Sound of Freedom.
But what's
in
your role?
America. So I'm playing one of the Phoebe, Waller, me. We've all come in and playing very key parts in it. That kind of helped these guys. So they won the world championships
This
basically.
is a true story.
True story.
Wow.
In 2017 to 19, they had a whole run. It was the idea was to get these girls out of Taliban rule, but ended up winning the world championships. And they're like, oh, okay, we're good. We're really good.
While in Afghanistan.
While in Afghanistan, and then they traveled.
Okay.
So I think the first one was in Mexico, California, Mexico, and now I think some of them are in Canada.
Now there'll be a wall, so you better get that right.
Huh.
Yeah. Things are changing
Yes.
from January.
World
Big
is
wall.
really shit, yeah.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah.
what are we gonna do?
I'm very happy with the world. I'm going to
Bharat is
Russia
married
to
to world.
live for the rest of my life.
Russia.
Я знаю по-русски, so I fit in.
It's a beautiful place, though.
It is a
Where in
beautiful
Russia?
place. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Absolutely. And I'm pro-nuclear. So wherever is a nuclear country, I go there. What?
Best.
It's wrong thinking. You want to be in a country which has what, catapults? I mean, you want to be safe here. You got to be in a nuclear country. Just kidding.
We are in a nuclear country.
Oh yeah, of course. But we are a peace-loving country.
Yeah. Very.
That's what the teleprompter is saying.
We are peace loving for outsiders.
Yeah. Shanti comes. The word comes from us. Peace came from the word Shanti. They can't say sure. They say per, no? So they said peace. It makes
Panti.
no sense. Yeah. What are you doing?
What am I
You
doing?
got some projects now. You're back on the saddle. How many months have passed? 4 months have passed.
Yeah,
How long?
4
6 months,
months.
8 months. Then you're
6
back.
months, yeah. Jan onwards, I'll start getting back to things slowly.
So what is there some project that is,
We're working on not a romantic comedy, but a dramedy
Okay.
that that's currently not. But both of us also have got a script recently to be cast opposite each other.
but you want to produce it yourself or
No, I
just
don't wanna-
acting?
No,
just
acting.
acting.
Yeah. Huh.
Why to produce ourselves?
Because you
and
now become
basi-
producers also, no?
Yeah, but you don't get paid.
That's true. It's a
The
real
idea
idea,
is
no?
to produce good stuff and you don't have to necessarily be in
You
it.
won at Sundance.
yeah, we've
You
produced
know,
good
you
stuff.
set up the bar high, huh?
Yes,
Going forward.
That's why it's
true,
more
that's
scary.
true.
Yeah, you better be careful who you work
Yeah.
with.
Yes,
Please don't work with
very.
me again. What if you do?
Want to work with you
Sundance.
again and again and again. But
So it's a dramedy,
yeah.
and you'll go on floors in Jan.
No.
No.
We start working on it in Jan. So pre-prod in Jan and go on floors maybe in April.
All right, but then now with the baby and all that, will you be doing like 1 month off and all that? It'll be tough, no?
No,
You take the baby.
take
with
the
you.
baby.
Switching, no?
No, I
So
think
one
just
will
take
work?
the baby.
Whenever
Take the baby.
Who's the boss here? He's saying one thing, you're saying one thing. I'm a little worried.
No,
No,
I'm
he
saying-
can visit us.
Oh, thanks, y'all. Thanks.
Can you breastfeed?
Well, that's the part I was
Can you
coming to.
try?
If you allow me to speak,
Can you try?
I can't. I
You're
can't
not
even we're
feminist.
helpless in that part. So
Forget that. I was not allowed to breastfeed. I felt that, I'm in a secular world. Why are we, stopping at one? World has changed so much.
but yeah, it's like
I'm going to take the nanny wherever I go and then continue to work and then daddy can visit.
Yeah, I want to ask you
Felt.
one question.
Yes.
What is the surname?
Whose?
You New World. Both of you all. What was it? Because he's Ali Fazal. I know. So
Richard
Richard
Chadda.
Chadda for
Fadda.
no, because that's the way it is on screen. No, a lot of people don't change it. Jaya Bhaduri, for example, going back. So you keep that for screen.
she's Jaya
No, but
Bhaduri,
in the movies, she remained Bhaduri, right? For the most part.
Correct.
Now
yeah.
today is a different time. So
No,
what-
I'm not changing my name.
Yeah.
are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you
Why
going
would-
to change your name?
No.
To the child is called Chazelle, like Chadda plus Fazel. Chazelle.
My sister's name is Giselle. And I told my daughter that if she gets married, she has to keep our name. And that person should take our name. We have to change all this. Now, what is this bully?
Yeah, I know.
Let's start with one. Let's start with the calendar.
Let's
We'll get to the
broach
names.
this subject later.
Yeah. So what is in the passport? I really want to know.
Chadda.
You've not changed it. Because finally my wife changed to brocha after about a year because of the problems with all these paperwork and all that. Because
What
they
is
say,
the
no
problem?
Shadi kaise kiya and all that because the names aren't the same. People ask you questions.
What
no.
rubbish?
You're famous, so maybe they won't
Let
ask.
them
No,
ask
no.
me.
Special Marriages Act.
Yeah? Special
yeah.
Marriages Act.
Yeah.
It's like
That we keep. Calendars out.
That we keep because we are governed by the laws of the
no, I think
nation
that's
state.
it's just a fair way to go, and it's open knowledge. I feel.
Did you vote in
Yes.
the Maharashtra
Yes.
state elections? So it's such a vulgar gesture. I feel very uncomfortable. Did you vote? Yeah.
But एक उंगली को तो छोड़ दो. I think one is already vulgar. This is considered vulgar.
But there's a Western culture. Why should it be in India? In India, this is hello.
हाँ,
Why should it be? This is Western culture. As Mulayam Singh would have said, ये सब ठीक नहीं है. I'm not happy with all this. And he's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, in a sense. We can't just mirror everything because they're saying it, this, why should I? Like, for example, I keep saying this. In Sweden, Lund is a name, Lund.
हाँ.
Yeah, here it's not.
It's not Lund, it's Lund.
Hey, if you come from North Sweden, they say Lund only.
No.
It changes, yaar.
It's the U with the two dots on top.
Why do you know so much?
But
Ali, how do you last in this marriage? This woman is ridiculous. Who knows this as a piece of information? That there's a Swedish name.
No,
it's
but-
pronounced Lund. It has two dots on top. Who
because
knows this?
I have been to Lund.
You're saying this aloud?
There's a big university in Lund.
Why would you go further? Just let it go. Let it
It's
go.
not the way you're
Yeah,
saying
I know
it.
it's not. You said big university. Okay. Okay. I need oxygen. we have to do AMAs quickly because you guys
wow.
are time out.
Okay, do
apparently.
AMAs.
Manoj, will you fight one Manoj Bajpayee sized duck or 100 duck sized Manoj Bajpayee? Sameer. Sometimes people are taking things they shouldn't be taking.
I would fight 100 duck-sized Manoj Bajpayee because that's just funny to see.
Neha ha ha, that's her name, says AMA for Ali and Richa. What are some nuggets of wisdom y'all have for new parents?
So yeah.
Y'all.
Y'all have
Y'all.
for new parents.
She's looking
Nuggets
like an
is what?
American.
Nuggets वो नहीं होते जो
Is
बनते
it
नहीं?
American or is
That's
it
what we get out of the
Bandra?
question.
It's Bandra, no?
It could
Y'all.
be Bandra, New York, whatever. I don't
Bandra,
know.
Bandra.
Bandra?
Bandra. When
Nuggets.
I came to Nuggets.
He's stuck
say-
on the word nuggets. Now he
अरे
can't
तो
go
Nutri
further.
nuggets नहीं होते थे?
Shut
Oh,
up.
disgusting.
I.
Are you Parsi? You appear to be Parsi.
No, no.
He's kind
He's
of.
eccentric here.
Yeah, he is. He
Fully
is. He
eccentric.
is. He
Huh.
is. The,
We're talking like he's not here.
yeah.
glasses.
I
It's
love
my
it.
glasses.
बहुत interesting बच्चा है. Answer.
What are the nuggets for parenting?
Nuggets, I
Yeah,
think new
pointers.
parents.
New
I think
parents.
You guys are very
divide,
unconventional.
divide the
Okay, that's for
work.
sure. Huh.
Divide.
the work.
Yeah.
Get help when you can.
What work does he do?
He does a lot of the nappy
Like what?
changing. Yeah, diaper stuff he
I
does.
hated that. Yeah.
Oh, I'm like aced.
good?
Aced.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
he
burping,
aces it.
the but you know
we had
we
to
got
tell
training.
him to stop because our daughter started associating potty with papa. Like,
Which is not that far away from the situation.
Poi papa.
so yeah, like
Potty.
divide work, get support, and
Is he good at-
breastfeed as much as you
Is
can.
he good at soothing her when she's crying and it's not food?
Yeah. I think I can do that.
But it tends to be the father being softer, especially with the daughter. That stereotype is true.
Yeah.
So she won't waste time. As a marketing professional, the daughter will say, yeah. And Ali will be, you know how Ali is. As long as she says there's no calendar, he just gives his wallet. He'll just press GPay, 50 crores, whatever she wants. Done.
This I keep hearing. Matlab, you know, yeah. It's the
Might
ATM is
happen.
right. He's right about the ATM. Like it's
Might
girls go
happen.
to their dads to like because वहाँ से हाँ मिल जाएगी.
It's also the male thing.
She comes
na?
to you,
Your
you'll be like,
masculinity is
"Dude,
like
first
out
get
there
this
to
shit
help,
in."
make a solution, create happiness. So that all they play on that. Women are very sharp. I know women.
Yeah.
Women don't like me, but I've understood them.
Yeah.
Yeah. I spend lots of
But
time.
with boys-
We're
stalking
doing a
girls.
second
boys is
edition of
different.
what
With boys
women
is
want.
different.
Would
Boys
you
will
consider
compete, huh?
acting in it? Are
Sorry?
you Mel Gibson?
What?
What women want.
I've not made any Jewish remarks or anything like that.
No, I'm saying, do you want to act in the second edition of...
What women want?
Mm-hmm.
Would you?
That's sarcasm, no? Because it's
No.
not me. What women want. Horrible, yeah. No,
Hey,
but
man, but we
just
should
got
do
out.
that.
But I'm
should
telling
do
you,
that.
I'm telling you, the daughter thing is stereotype is quite strong.
Yeah.
Because their alliance is such that the market works, the dynamics work,
Yeah.
father and daughter.
But
You
boys
have
go,
a son now, yeah.
boys go to the mothers.
Not necessarily, it can
Yeah.
be close to you also, but there'll be a competition. Ultimately, a son is born to kill the father, no? If you look at the lions.
Yeah.
That's the story.
Yeah.
I speak as a Leo.
Oh.
You know, what is that famous poem, Rustam and Sorab? In the end, they wrestle father and son. Of course, he doesn't know it's his son. I won't give it away. Do that movie.
Oh, shit.
Rustam and
I'll play
Sohrab.
Rustam.
Yeah.
Because I'm old now.
That was when the Parsis dominated
It's
the film
Ferdowsi.
industry.
It's a Persian poem, and Matthew Arnold made it into an English poem called Rustam and Sorab. So it's probably Rustam or Sorab. That's it.
Interesting.
You're from Rustam and Sorab?
नहीं मैंने नहीं
You've
सुना.
not heard?
नहीं.
I play music from that film continuously.
Ali,
now.
this is very disappointing.
Suraiya.
Who is your therapist?
Prithviraj Kapoor.
Yeah.
अच्छा हमारा.
Oh, yeah, it was
नहीं
made
है.
into a back in the very old film.
But this is a Persian reference.
Of course.
Yeah.
Hardcore.
Okay, then I've heard. I didn't understand. Sorry.
These are Persian names. My grandfather's name was Sorab.
हाँ.
Yeah. Why are we discussing it?
हाँ, but ठीक है. Okay. But I've not.
We'll make the movie.
seen
I'll play
this.
Rustam. You get
Done.
a young guy. You can play Sorab.
Okay.
But we have to wrestle.
Yeah, I could.
And they
try.
don't wear anything. Those
I-
days, Persian wrestling was different.
But we'll have 2 dots and
2 dots.
somewhere. 3. You have an oven.
Richa, can you just step outside? I have to explain
What
to him
are we
basic,
talking about?
basic gonad philosophy. देखिए भाई, एक चीज का एक है, एक चीज का 2 है. 2 और 1 कितना होता है? 3.
हाँ.
So 3 dots.
Okay, fair enough.
1
Let's-
dot
let's
larger,
try and,
2
yeah.
dots smaller.
This
Now
will
what
help
more?
in pre-prod.
Listen, I'm not cancelling the calendar. We have a lot to learn here. We are not ready.
Oh God, I really
We'll
have
get cancelled on this
stepped
show.
out.
No.
My bad
Wow.
and autobiography.
Okay, for Richa and Ali both, what's a guilty pleasure movie that you love but your partner dislikes? Come on.
Guilty
Oh.
pleasure movie.
Some movie that you enjoy watching but he doesn't, or vice versa.
I mean, I would.
I watch a lot
randomly
of like.
play Khalnaik. What?
Khalnaik you didn't like?
No,
I
he
love-
loves.
Oh, he loves
Khalnaik.
it. And you don't like that genre of
I mean,
masala, gangster villainy.
I grew up judging it actually.
But it's got its moments.
It's got its moments.
You don't
Yeah.
go in there thinking of
No,
watching.
but I go the extra mile. I watch like B-grade cringe horror films from the 90s.
Ramsey
Kanti
Brothers.
Shah.
Yeah.
Kanti Shah. Ramsey is still AA league.
What, Green Blood? They pioneered Green Blood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They also pioneered the Dracula moving out of frame slowly and then wearing the teeth and coming back into the frame.
See, now this is
So
worth.
now I love it.
This is Sundance for me.
But I don't mind that.
You don't mind it, but you
I mind when
you
you
watch
watch-
it for two minutes and then you're like, haha, so funny. चल ना कुछ और करते हैं. But I'm like, नहीं नहीं अभी वो कांच की बोतल को नाड़े से खींचेगा और उसमें आत्मा बैठेगी. And he's like, you're rewatching it.
I think he's
So,
too
yeah.
evolved for these kind of films.
He's evolved. There's no
and
calendar.
What does he watch?
He watches
Like, I
what?
want to make a film like that, like on Ed Wood, like an Ed Wood.
Oh, the bad film. The bad film.
No, like
Super
like
bad.
that filmmaker who made
these
you know,
bad
I think we
films.
have one character in Bollywood also. I
So
would
you'll
love
do a
to-
realistic one?
Realistic, like.
But they will
But
take
films
offense.
have
yeah.
been made like that, like
But
Ashu Maluwale. mein.
unknowingly, they.
Oh no, unknowingly, knowingly they make bad horror.
Maluwali, the documentary filmmaker.
He made Miss Lovely and all those films.
He's
no?
damn cool.
No, she's being sarcastic. Let me
No,
understand.
no,
No,
I'm
no,
not.
he's freaking
He's
amazing.
a good
Yeah,
filmmaker.
It's about the gay community or something, no?
No,
I'm sorry.
I don't remember though.
No, no. not-
Someone transitioning? Please tell us what it is before we get cancelled.
Miss Lovely is a film about
About?
this sort of underbelly of Bollywood, kind of B-grade films.
Oh,
A
really?
lot of skin show. Nawazuddin is in it. Niharika is in
yeah,
it.
Oh.
It's very cool under the radar. film.
2012 film. I know because I auditioned for it.
But you're not in the film.
I didn't get it. No,
Oh, we can do another one called Fair and Lovely and then change the concept completely.
no you mean Glow and
Glow.
Lovely.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
So what does he watch? You're not telling us what he watches.
He watches everything. He watches like Tokyo Vice. He watches Wolverine and
No, so that's very male testosterone films. What about what else?
he watches Notting Hill also.
Oh yeah. But then
But that
both
I
of us
guess you
would
both
watch.
like. There's a funny-ish romantic film.
Like I would watch a. Oh, any Nicolas Cage film I watch, she's not into Nick
Nicolas
Cage,
Cage.
which is, I mean,
But some of them are decent, yeah.
dude, come on, let's not break him
What is the
down.
one with the villains
here.
called
I think
Cyrus
he's
the
freaking
Virus?
amazing. Let's not go there.
Cyrus the
The
virus.
villain's called Cyrus the Virus. I saw it in the cinema in the 90s or whatever. I can't remember. The
What,
aeroplane
Snake
one.
Eyes?
No, the prisoners break out.
Yeah, that's the this
Yeah.
one. Snakes on a
No,
shit.
they're all in a
On
prison
a plane.
van.
No,
and-
John Malkovich is also there.
Yeah. So what's the film called? Whatever it's called.
Snakes on it's snakes on a plane.
But your calves also
I've got
are very strong.
I've got they're small, but like many girls tell me, aesthetic. I'm kidding.
Aesthetic carbs.
No,
are
we
really
love your
good.
jokes.
Not true.
We love your jokes.
But now I can't stop flexing my calves.
Yeah.
I'm like a Gurgaon boy now. A girl is saying good calves, yaar. I said, dikha na. Hey, ice cream खा लो यार. Okay, that's it from us. Avi and Richa, always a pleasure to have you here.
Thank
But
you.
you're busy with a fabulous film which is won at Sundance called Girls Will Be Girls. That's us producers, also actors, also writers, creators. They're doing all kinds of things. And new, if you like it, parents.
Oh, yeah.
Fabulous. What's your daughter's name?
Zunera.
Zunera.
Zunaira. Wow, sounds nice.
Yeah.
And easy to pronounce.
Zuni.
Zuni.
Yeah.
Easy pet name.
Yeah. No, it's important because growing up, you don't want to keep repeating your name. Yeah. Sometimes parents forget that.
No, I think in India we'll have to Sunera,
You'll get little
Junera.
bit. Junera for sure. Jazz, you'll just have to live with that.
Z is
Yeah.
a problem always.
That's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's a cultural thing. I don't care about that so much.
Yeah.
It's not my kid, but I should not say that. But yeah. Okay. All right, that's it. Say bye. Let's go. We're done.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Let's
guys.
go.
Always a pleasure to be here. I'll be here again alone.
Please.
Yeah.
No, it's such a nice. It's very
know
nice.
what?
I don't want to put any Parvati on it, but I like the chemistry.
Yeah, I
think it's
also
very
like-
realistic.
yeah.
I hate lovey-dovey couples. I think
By
they're
the way,
lying.
this is probably the third interview we've done together in
We
life.
don't do interviews together because we really third only.
Third, fourth, maybe max. Yeah.
You stopped counting after one.
During Fukre was the time we would probably be like. I
That
would
was
keep
group
like
interviews.
snuggling. Thoda aise
But
ke
you were
saath
line
kaam.
marring. That's a different interview altogether.
Cute.
Yeah.
Because you want to be in that interview.
Exactly.
Yeah. Now she's exposing all your secrets. Nicolas Cage.
Nick Cage is a legend. Let's not even go there. I think let's just that you don't touch.
Why isn't he?
Cyrus,
you should-
New Year's around the corner. Will you give me a calendar?
This interview's over. Bye bye.